William Mack Brown is an American college football coach. He is currently in his second stint as the head football coach at the University of North Carolina, where he coached from 1988 until departing in 1997 to become coach at the University of Texas. He was recently a college football commentator for ESPN. In January 2018, Brown was selected to enter the College Football Hall of Fame. In November 2018, Brown took the vacant job at North Carolina, replacing Larry Fedora. Prior to his head coach position at Texas, Brown was head coach at Appalachian State, Tulane, and North Carolina. Brown is credited with revitalizing the Texas and North Carolina football programs. The Longhorns beat the University of Southern California in the 2006 Rose Bowl, Ohio State at the Horseshoe in September 2005, and conference rival Oklahoma in 1998, 1999, 2005, 2006, 2008, 2009, and 2013. The 2005 season was capped off by victories over Colorado and USC to win the Big 12 Conference and National Championships, respectively. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.